All right. Cars have come in, close to 400. Downtown Clare, boy, I tell you what. If you're not down here, you're missing quite the show. Look at this. US 27 tour. Downtown Clare, Michigan Magazine TV exclusive. There's Cliff, Michigan Magazine. Checking it out. Hey. What? I know it. Way down there. Let's see. My goodness. Where are they going to park all these classic cars? This is an event. Tell you what. Classic cars. US 27 tour. And they are still coming in. Oh my goodness. Way down there. Look at this. Michigan Magazine TV, Downtown Clare. Wow. US 27. Ooh, wow. And they are still coming in. 400 or so cars, classic cars, from around the state and beyond. Oh my goodness.
How about you guys come?
I love this one. This is my car right here. Right here. Oh yeah. He was making all the racket here.
Okay, send it down to me, Steve.
Whoa.
Bring it down to us.
Oh boy.
Neville, send them this way.
What do you want? 10?
About 10 of them.
All right.
Oh, here they come. Still coming in.
How many? Right here. Right here.
Where are they going to put them all? Oh my goodness.
Follow those guys up there. They'll tell you where to go. Keep going. We got about 10 or 15 that's full. Go.
Yeah, you want to park them up here now?
You want to go up there first?
How many you got?
Who wants to go here? Let it go. Let it go.